What's up? So, I'm just waking up. This is the day in the life of a school group owner and school consultant. Basically, an online community consultant that specializes on school. So, I get up, I drink my coffee. This is my personal take: is I sit quietly for quite a while and I just craft the messages and the posts and the emails and who I want to talk to every day, and what kind of discussions I want to be having. And then at around noon, I go and I start implementing those messages, the graphic design I want to do, the emails I want to do, and all of the people I want to talk to. I just start banging it out, and then I do that for quite a while. So it's a pretty simple set of tasks that you got to go through. And then you just got to remind yourself a bunch that, like the boring work that you're doing now, it pays off in a few months' time. So always keeping that top of mind is very important, because if you try to assume the results are going to happen right away, you will get impatient and you won't do it. And it's not always going to be easy. It's not always going to be like a feeling where you're in creative flow. It's not always going to be like, you know what you're doing. It's not always going to feel like you know what to say or who to talk to or what move to make or what the right move to make is. But as long as you keep showing up and practicing the motions of doing it, you will eventually, the preparation that you've taken will meet the opportunity at the right point, so you will be able to take advantage of the opportunity. So this is also just a test of Loom. I like to take a lot of photos and videos, so it's easier to use Loom to record so it doesn't store on the phone. It's a quick little hack. If you're always facing storage issues on your phone, don't try to record videos on your phone. Use Loom, record it there, go to your computer, download it, upload it to YouTube. So progress to 10K. We're closer, but not close enough. So gotta keep pushing. All right, see ya.